So for us, it is key to meet the new generations because those people are potential customers, employees. It's really key to be connected to the future.
Today I feel very honored and proud about visiting TAG Heuer because it's a nice opportunity to me as I'm studying luxury specialization in hospitality management, and it's better to understand the real world of luxury brands and to understand what is going on beside the real image of the brand.
Nowadays, luxury is experiencing a shift. Luxury industry is actually opening for happy money, and we can see during this visit, the price of these watches are affordable luxury, and they also have very high-scale products. So I can see this luxury brands is really adopting this shifting.
More and more in retail, we are shifting from a transaction to an experience, offering a unique service, offering a personalized experience, building relationships, and creating emotions around our products. And I think that's exactly what students learn in a hospitality program. So the human being that is at the core of our businesses is what blends our two worlds.
Studying hospitality, at the beginning, I felt like I would work for the hotel. But now, after twice internship I did in HIM, and after visit this manufacturing, I think it really opened my mind. I could also choose to work for the luxury watch brand and also to work as sales and marketing or human resource, or all the possibilities could become realistic in HIM.
One of the most important values is entrepreneurship. And behind this umbrella, there are a number of soft skills, such as building relationships, but also being proactive, having a vision for the future, taking risks. And I think this relays some of the values that you guys are preaching in your school.
From today, my main takeaway will be innovation and also creativity and quality, because in a luxury brand, guests, clients, they want unforgettable experiences. So for me, if you want to success in your life, you should be creative, you should be innovative, you should make your products different.